As the world is moving forward to use variants of technology, so has automation improved its way to make a life easier. Though the word automation was coined in 1950s, it has recently started gaining popularity. So, hi all, this is Divya RK, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. I welcome you to the Tech Talk series. Today's topic is Robotic Process Automation, RPA. RPA is the most trending technology in the 21st century. Well defined RPA, if you observe, you have three terms to understand: robotic, process, and automation. So, talking about robotic first, any kind of entity which mimic human actions are known as robot. Coming into process, so for any entity to mimic human action, that particular entity has to follow sequence of steps, right? So these sequence of steps are nothing but a process. Let us could be a process for a simple to a complex task. Finally, coming to automation, any process done by a robot without any human intervention. So, if we summarize all these three terms together, the mimicking human action to perform a sequence of steps that leads to a meaningful activity without any human interventions can be termed as robotic process automation. In other words, we can say that RPA is a software program that imitates human actions while interacting with a computer application and accomplishing automation of repetitive rule-based process. RPA is the technology that allows the automation of the task in exactly the way how a human does. A robot in robotic process automation does not mean that literally robots are going to replace human beings, but it means a computer program that imitates human action. RPA can be used to automate the labor-intensive tasks such as back office processes, data entry, data validation, etc. Now I give a brief historic evaluation to RPA. Robotic process automation proved itself as a game-changing technology. Yet a very common topic of debate among automation community is whether RPA is a new development or it should be seen simply as an extension of the technologies that came before it. For better understanding, we need to study the following three key predecessors of RPA. The first one is screen scraping software. A screen scraping software is meant to scan large set of static information or other visual representation of data to pull key terms, integers or other important analytics. In the context of RPA, we can say that the same functionality is used by RPA. Even RPA is integrating screen scraping capabilities into a large suite of functions. The next one is workflow automation and management tool. As the name suggests, such tools can help in order processing by capturing customer contact information, invoice, total as well as item ordered. They even translate these details into company database and notify the corresponding employees too. Such tools eliminate manual and data entry. The same functionality is used by RPA. RPA is integrating its work automation tool capabilities into a large suite of functions. The third one is artificial intelligence. We all know about AI, the trending technology. As we know that AI is the capability of computer systems to perform tasks that normally require human intervention and intelligence. A machine can replace tedious and manual labor that is time consuming. The same functionality is used by RPA. RPA integrating AI capabilities into a large suite of functions. All of the above three advancements in automation were significant in one or other sense, but what makes an RPA an impactful technology is its ability to combine, refine certain aspects of each of these technologies. Next, why robotic process automation? Consider the following scenario in a typical enterprise. In this figure, we can see that the number one, the rapidly changing business process to compete. Here, the business climate is ever changing. An enterprise needs to continuously evolve its product, sales, marketing, etc. process to grow and stay relevant. And the second is multiple disparate IT systems can't evolve at the speed of business. That is, a typical enterprise uses multiple and disconnected IT systems to run its operations. With change in business process, these IT systems are not changed frequently due to budget, timing, and implementation complexity issues. Hence, the business process does not map the technological process mapped in the IT system. To overcome this technical and organization-led human workforce is high to fill the gap between systems and process. The problem with this is that humans. With any change in the business process, a company would need to hire new employees or train existing employees to map IT systems and business process. Both solutions are time and money consuming. So we enter RPA. With robotic automation, the company can deploy virtual workers who mimic human workers. In case of a change in process, a change in few lines of software code is always faster and cheaper than retaining hundreds of employees. The reason for that RPA is advantageous. That is, a human can work average 8 hours a day, whereas robot can work 24 hours without any tiredness. Robot handle multiple tasks very well compared to a human being. Next, we will learn the RPA implementation methodology. There are mainly 4 phases in the implementation methodology. The first one is planning. In this phase, you need to identify the process which you want to automate. That is the process is manual or repetitive? Is the process is rule-based? Is the input data is in electronic format and it is readable? Something like that. The second phase is development. In this phase, you start developing the automation workflows as per agreed plan. Being wizard-driven, the implementation is quick. The third phase is testing. In this phase, run RPA testing cycles for in scope automation to identify and correct defects. The last phase is the support and maintenance. It provides continuous support after going live and helps in immediate defect resolution. Follow general maintenance guidelines with rules and responsibilities with business and IT support teams. Next we talk about the general use of RPA. First one, emulates human action. It emulates human execution of the repetitive process using various applications and systems. Conduct high volume repeated tasks. Robotic process automation can easily simulate rekeying of data from one system to another. It performs tasks like data entry, copying and pasting, etc. Third one, perform multiple tasks. It operates multiple and complex tasks across multiple systems. Fourth one, virtual system integration. This automation system can transfer data between disparate and legacy systems by connecting them at the user interface level instead of developing new data infrastructure. Next, automated report generation. It automates the extraction of data to come up with accurate, effective, and timely reports. Information validation and auditing. It resolves and cross-verify data between different systems to validate an auditing output. Seventh one is product management. It helps to bridge the gap between IT systems and related product management platforms. The next use is it can be beneficial to QA process which cover regression, testing and automating customer use case scenarios. The next is data migration. It allows automated data migration through systems which is not possible using traditional mediums. Next use is gap solutions. It fills the gaps with process deficiencies. It includes simple tasks as password reset, the system reset, etc. The last one is revenue forecasting. It automatically updating financial statements to predict revenue forecasting. Next is applications of RPA. RPA is used in wide range of industries like healthcare, HR, insurance, manufacturing and retail, telecom, travel and logistics, banking and financial services, government and infrastructure. RPA is the technology which can be implemented through various tools. RPA tools are widely used for the configuration of task automation. Working of each tool is different but principal concept remains the same. So the top RPA tools introduced in marketing are UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Pega, Nice System and Crayon. So talking about UiPath first. UiPath is highly extensible RPA tool for automating any desktop or web app. Multinational companies like Airbus, NASA, DHL and HP using UiPath into their day-to-day life. Now we moving on to Automation Anywhere. Is another tool which is most popular in the industry. It is very easy to design. Companies like Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro are using Automation Anywhere in their day-to-day life. The third most popular tool is Blue Prism, one of key market leader in the enterprise automation. Companies like Jaguar, RBC, Landro, IAG using Blue Prism into their day-to-day life. Next we discuss about some of the benefits of RPA. It increased productivity. Employees are the first to understand the benefits of RPA as it relieves them from non-value added activities. It control and transparency. Once the agents are programmed, everything they do is monitored and 100% transparent. Next one, it improved customer satisfaction. Less human errors and fast delivery can lead to improved customer satisfaction. The fourth one is cost saving. RPA automates business process, reducing cost and increasing throughput. It provides better accuracy and reliability. Ensures 100% reliability, and since humans develop the agents, they make zero mistakes. However, every technology has its limitations. Limitations of RPA include: first, RPA cannot read any data that is non-electronic with unstructured input. RPA is not a cognitive computing solution. Applying RPA to a broken and inefficient process will not fix it. Even small changes made in the automation application will need the robots to be reconfigured. Finally, we reach in the conclusion. Robotic process automation allows organization to automate tasks just like a human being was doing them across applications and systems. The main goal of RPA process to replace repetitive and boring clerical tasks performed by humans with a virtual workforce. The average productivity of human is 60% with few errors as compared to robots' productivity which is 100% without any errors. This is one of the most important reasons why RPA is advantageous. RPA is used in wide range of industries like healthcare, insurance, banking, IT, etc. Guys, we come to the end of this section. Now I hope you should understand a brief idea about robotic process automation. Thank you for listening.